Xiaomi Mi Play. It's a 120 euros phone which does the job as expected to any budget phone and provide good value for money. As name suggested, Mi Play. Is it actually meant for the gaming? Answer is no. It has 5.8 inch of screen with good screen viewing angle. It comes with Android Pie, which is not the latest at the moment. On the other hand side, you cannot expect Xiaomi to give you updates also. That's a problem with Xiaomi until or unless it's a Android 1 phone like Mi A2 and Mi A3. Phone comes with soft plastic case which looks and feel very cheap. Phone support micro USB and has come with fast charger in the box. Main camera is 12 megapixel f2.2 and secondary depth camera. Camera performance is okay but not great for the budget phone comparisons. Fingerprint scanner is slow and you can see the lag time to time in scrolling apps and minimize and opening apps. Certainly phone looks great though, with shiny back which looks like glass but it actually isn't. Game launching takes time but does have a gaming mode inbuilt. Take a look on one game of arcade mode in PUBG. Speakers are loud but not clear and gives distortion at the max volume. Overall, I would say price is right, but this device has a lot of competition in the market, and other phones like Vivo, Oppo and even Realme offer very good value to the money as comparison to this phone. So I am not sure why should you buy this phone. This phone does not have a good performance in day-to-day life. €120 for this kind of specification is, I wouldn't say is that much good. So better save your money and spend it somewhere else. Or if you get a chance to buy this phone used for maybe 60 or 70 euros, then that would be great too. Press the like button if you liked the video and make sure you subscribe. Have a good day. Bye bye.